Hello and welcome to the July 2018 Smile, Create, Repeat surprise. We have these great pencils we're going to be drawing with. And the neat thing is we have a mechanical pencil here that we're going to be using. And we replaced the gray lead with this blue lead from Pentel. So let's get started here. And the way you change it, I'm sure probably know, but anyway, you just take this off, you dump out your lead, and you put in the blue lead. And this pencil's neat because it's got the twist erase, where you twist the pencil and the eraser comes out, and to advance the lead, you click. And it's nice, it's got some good weight to it, it's got the nice metal clip, and you've got the cushiony grip. So. Alright, let's see what we can come up with. So my original, oh, that's good. It's alright, so I just bumped that, I'll have to cut that out. Alright. So I was going to do a couple different things, I guess. We'll start by maybe doing a little shading. So I'm just going to start with the old circle. We'll make a little ball. And I'm using the blue as my initial drawing, just as the process, and I'm just showing the light source. So the shadow would go here. So this is your light source. This is your object. This is the shadow that's cast. Okay. And then you'll have the light side and the dark side. And it's not straight like that because it's a ball, but I just wanted to show you. So there we go. And then we're going to have some reflected light. So the light shining over here is going to bounce back up into the ball. So I'm going to shade it really quick. And the other idea I want to get across in this demo is to control your pencil to create the values you're trying to create. So it's the pressure of the pencil and the stroke of the pencil. So if you got to do it nice and even to create a nice even coverage. Okay. So I just did that with the blue real quick, but now I'm going to go back. I'm going to go in with my 2B. Tombow, and this is really, you're going to really see how much darker this can get, and that's really not pressing very hard. So here it is darker and it goes to lighter. So as you can see, nice smooth even and lighter as it gets to the lighter to the light part. And that might be something else you want to practice, trying to go press dark and go light. And I am going to stop this because I don't want to do it anymore. Wow. The point on that is crazy. All right. So we're going to start think I'm going to draw a face again. Okay. Oh, it needs to be lower. All right, so that chin, let's try to bring that up a little bit. Wow. Trying to do a finished drawing, I'm pushing a little too hard on the pencil here. Okay, and then what are we going to do for the hair? I really have no idea. And let's have it going behind her ear. And what does she have for an earring here? Maybe a loop with a little heart inside. I think my girls would think that's cute. Okay. All right, I think that's pretty good. So that's with the blue. So that's so you can really, as you're going, you can sketch and you can just keep sketching. Like the chin I didn't exactly like, but I think that's okay. So then you can go, and this is another technique you can use, of course, with pen and ink. You do the initial sketch in the light pencil and you go in with the ink. So I'm going to do it with this very soft pencil, just to see how it goes. And then I'm not going to be tracing. I'm afraid that I'm using a pencil sharpener that I have here, obviously, and it made this crazy point, which is kind of neat, but I just broke it off because I don't want that to break right as I'm drawing. But I am going to have to try that again. So now you can add the fine details, like maybe, excuse me, the eyebrows. Maybe that was too much. I'll let you know. You can always go back, and we have the eraser. Oh yeah, I wanted to talk to you about the eraser. This is a different eraser I have. But as you can see, I cut it at an angle so you can get this fine edge. This one's a little beat up, but that's so you can really get in there and clean it up. So this one that you use, you can do that with that easily. Just be careful. If you're a kid, be careful. Get an adult to help you maybe. If you're an adult, be careful. And yeah. I'm going to add a little highlight. And this gets a little lighter as you go down. And I'm going to go in and make the pupil darker so I can darken that a little bit more too. And as your pencil gets dull on one part, use that flat part of the pencil to help you with the smooth shading. And then rotate the pencil to get back to the sharper part if you need it. And so I went in to give the lower lip a little value and realized it was too dark. It was too close in value to the upper and bottom lip, so I had to make the upper lip darker. I just forgot what I was saying, so excuse my fumbling with words. That's why I'm an artist, not a writer. And now I'm just going, so that flat edge of the pencil that I was talking about, you can see there how it's flatter there. So I'm using that to create some broad strokes, and I'm doing it lightly to get the hair. And especially on this side, having this shaded darker hair will add contrast to the face. And then up here I'm going to try to add some highlight and shine to the hair. So up here I'm going to leave this area, I think, pretty light. There you go. So I hope you liked that. That's our demonstration video for this month. Using our Tombow. I didn't use the Kimberly, but I used the Pentel Twist Erase, and I didn't use my eraser. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. So we'll put it there. So thank you so much. We'd love to see what you create with us. Yeah, follow along with this one, or do your own thing, of course. Oh, let me add, not done yet. I gotta add a little bit of yeah, please show us what you've made. We'd love to see what you create. So thank you so much for watching, and if you have an idea of something you'd like to see drawn, possibly in the next video, leave a comment, or if you have any questions or anything. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a great month. And remember to smile, create, repeat.